Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, what's next? No more busting grams, dog, bitch, I tryna bust a chick. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, this is it. No more open nose trick, bitch, I tryna go legit. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, what's next? No more busting grams, dog, bitch, I tryna bust a chick. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, this is it. No more open nose trick, bitch, I tryna go legit. No more microwaves, oh, no more cooking on the stove. Tryna go legit, my dog, cause niggas won't be locked and gone. That's why I do my dirt alone and stay out to my fucking own. No more talking on these phone, these niggas out y'all working home. I'll be damned if my team will go down, fucking with these clowns. I done lost who made it round, bunch of bitches going down. Cause if I got to see ya, I'ma see ya just before I go. Cause if I got to see ya, when I see ya, bitch is critical. All behind the colors on your head towards be growing strong. Get your own work, bitch, learn to cook and stack your chips. Get your own tone mix, learn to load your fucking clip. Cock it back and shoot that bitch, but people like dog gon' know the miss. They say I get hysterical, cooking cocaine's a miracle. So hard, but yet so simple though. Round and round and round it go. Whip it, let it go. Don't play no games with that coke. Get what you can get and go before them people hit your dough. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, what's next? No more busting grams, dog, bitch, I tryna bust a chick. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, this is it. No more open nose trick, bitch, I tryna go legit. Microwave Pyrex in the kitchen, what's next? No more busting grams, dog, bitch, I tryna bust a chick. Microwave